Are you concerned about your kids' screen time and looking for ways to make their holidays productive? Well, you're in the right place. Introducing computational thinking with Scratch, the perfect blend of learning and fun that will set your child up for success in the digital age. Scratch uses a super cool, easy to understand visual programming language. No complicated text-based coding here, just simple drag and drop blocks that fit together like pieces of a puzzle. In our fun and interactive lessons, kids will learn the basics of programming from loops and variables to conditions and events. This summer your kids will not be playing games, but they will be developing their very own Pac-Man game in no time. They'll design characters, build interactive mazes, and program movements, all while having a blast. Scratch isn't just about coding. It's about fostering creativity, enhancing problem-solving skills, and encouraging collaboration. Your kids will learn to think critically and tackle challenges, skills that are essential for the future. So what are you waiting for? Give your kids a summer they'll never forget, one filled with creativity, learning, and fun. Enroll them in Scratch programming today and watch them thrive in the digital world tomorrow.